Hey, survival enthusiasts! Today, I've got a quick tip for you on building a fire in the cold. It's essential for staying warm and keeping your spirits high in chilly situations. Let's dive in. First things first, collect dry tinder. In cold weather, finding dry materials can be a challenge, but it's crucial. Look for dry leaves, small twigs, or even birch bark if available. The drier, the better. Now let's create a proper fire lay. Arrange your tinder in a loose bundle and surround it with progressively larger sticks, forming a teepee or log cabin structure. This helps airflow and encourages the flames to spread. To make things even easier, carry some fire starters with you. Today I'm using cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly. These are lightweight, easy to pack, and ignite quickly, giving your fire the jump start it needs. Cold weather often means gusty winds. Shield your fire from the wind by positioning your body or building a windbreak with rocks or logs. This ensures that the flames stay strong and your fire doesn't get extinguished. Once your fire is going, add larger fuel gradually to keep a steady heat source. This is crucial for maintaining warmth in freezing temperatures. There you have it, a quick guide on building a fire in the cold. Remember to stay safe and practice these skills whenever you can. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick survival hacks. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming tips. Until next time, stay warm out there.